In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text templates in Salesforce flows. Whether you're looking to streamline communications or enhance user interaction within your Salesforce org, mastering text templates is a valuable skill. Now let's dive into the steps and walk through this process together. To get started, you'll first need to log into Salesforce. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find an icon that looks like a gear. Clicking on this will open your setup menu. From there, you'll want to open the advanced setup. This will give you access to a range of tools that are perfect for customizing your Salesforce environment. Now, once you're in advanced setup, head over to the quick find box. This is your best friend when you're trying to locate specific settings quickly. Type in flows here. You'll see an option appear for flows. Go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to the section where you can manage all your flows. Next up, look for the button that says new flow and give it a click to open the Flow Builder. This is where the magic happens. In Flow Builder, you'll first be asked to choose a specific category for your flow. Take a moment here to consider the purpose of your flow, and then select the category that aligns with your goals. Once your category is set, direct your attention to the toolbox on the top left corner of the screen and click on it. In this toolbox, you'll want to navigate to the New Resource button. A menu will appear, and from this list, select Text Template as your resource type. This is crucial because a text template is what will allow you to predefine messages or text formats, making them consistent and easily reusable. At this point, you can begin customizing the text template's body. Use rich text features to add formatting that will make your text stand out or better convey your message. You can bold certain words, change font sizes, and do much more to make your template both visually appealing and functional. With your text template all set, it's time to bring it into your flow. Look for the component called Display Text and drag it onto your screen flow. This component is what will display your template to users when the flow is executed. Finally, you're going to tweak the settings of this display text component. Within its settings, you'll assign your newly created text template as the source. This tells Salesforce that whenever this flow runs, it should pull the text from the template you've just crafted. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating and implementing text templates in Salesforce flows. Remember, text templates can save you time and ensure consistency across communications, so take advantage of this powerful feature as you continue to develop your Salesforce skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.